Hey guys, this is Drew from my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a particular toilet issue from someone who doesn't know anything about what he's doing and as far as that. So let's get to it. I'll show you the issue. So here's the issue. The chain here seems to have lost something. It's supposed to go in that thing there, and when you flush, it'll pull it up and the water goes out. So this is what I came up with. I took the top of a pop can and used a little saw blade to basically cut a line in it, and then fit the chain through the hole here. Pull it out. So you just put the chain in the groove, and as you can see there, put it through, pull it along the groove until it's at the end. And then you see when you pull this, locks it up and flushes it. So there you go, real cheap fix. Thanks for watching, guys.